Welcome to virtual tip number 34. Warm up for a dynamic voice. If you are living alone and working from home, you may not have the opportunity to use your voice before that virtual meeting. So take a minute to literally warm up your voice. Breathe in for the count of 5 and exhale. Do this. Ma. It's a great way to practice. Alternate the ah. Take a deep breath and gently release ah. You can also go from high to low. Have fun, warm up your voice, and you will always have a dynamic voice. If you like this video, please make sure that you leave a comment and like it. Give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate your support and your enthusiasm, and I look forward to hearing from you.